as I am discussing about the Jeep brand, today I will just explain you in this segment there are plenty of compact SUVs, but why Jeep? The main thing is about the brand value, the features and the safety features which are coming in the Jeep brand. Hi friends, this is the Jeep Compass Limited Plus, the BS6 variant, and today I will describe you about this Limited Plus diesel variant. So as I am discussing the front profile of the vehicle, you can see the clamshell hood with the central bulge. Okay, the acoustic windshield glass which gives you a better view while driving in both the terrains in the city and for the off-roading. Down here you can see the signature 7-slot grills which signifies the, you can say, the 7 Alps or the 7 mountains and the 7 dignitaries across the world. In the front part you can see the LED signature light with the HID bi-xenon headlamp, with the DRL with a cornering fog lamp, and down here you can see the honeycomb mesh with a chrome finish on the lower lip. So coming to the side profile of the vehicle, I just want to show you the 18-inch diamond cut wheel with the 5-spoke alloys, and this is the all-season tires from the house of Bridgestone, and you can drive for better gripping both in the rough terrains and for the city drives. Here you can see the trapezoidal wheel arch. This is given for the better water fording when you are going through any waterlogged streets or any waterlogged place. This part you can see the electrically adjustable and foldable ORVM with the integrated side indicators which you can operate from inside. So as I have described you the side profile of the vehicle, now one of the main important thing in a compact SUV which I will describe you, that is the ground clearance. So in our Jeep Compass you are getting a ground clearance of 175 mm, which gives you a better feasibility of driving the vehicle both in the city and in the off-roading capacity, and the vehicle can go anywhere and do anything, which is one of the main tagline of Jeep. So your Jeep Compass is available in both the diesel and the petrol variants. Okay, the diesel comes with a 2-liter multi-jet second generation engine with a 173 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. And in case of petrol, you are getting the 1.4 multi-year engine which is having a 162 PS horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. So now when I open up the bonnet of the vehicle, this part it is very heavy, and it is because the build quality of the vehicle is one of the main USPs of the vehicle, and it proves the roughness and the toughness of the vehicle in the terrain. So as I have described you the 2-liter diesel engine, so right now you can see this is our 2-liter diesel engine, the multi-jet 2-liter diesel engine with the 173 PS power and 350 Nm of torque. Out here you can see the engine part it is well covered and for absorbing the noise, outside noise, and when you are sitting in the cabin you will not feel that this engine is making much more noise or like that, because you can see there is the 14 and 1428 acoustic baffle zones which absorb the outside noises and gives you a better calm and cool when you are sitting in the interior. Okay, and right here I can show you as you see the bonnets is the laser welding, the cuttings which you can see, which increases the rigidity of the vehicle. As you can see, this is the magnesio grey color which is coming in the dual tone. There is a magnesio grey with a black roof. Out here you can see this is one of the colors which is available in all the variants. You can choose it out from it. So now coming to the rear part of the vehicle, out here you can see the rear spoiler, well placed rear spoiler, which enhances the stability of the vehicle while you are driving in both in the highways in high speed. Okay, right here in the middle you can see the high mounted stop lamp, the braking lamp, which down here you can see the intelligent demister lines, which helps as a very good as a defogger in the winter seasons, in the foggy seasons when you are sitting inside the vehicle and starting the vehicle. Okay, this is the small part, the rear wipers, and down here I can show you firstly the full LED tail lights. Okay, and here you can see the rear parking camera with the parking sensors out here. Now I will show you the internal cargo space of this vehicle. So out here you can see this is a large space for carrying a good cargo space of 438 liters for carrying a lots of 2 or more trolleys when you are traveling abroad, and you can just fold the seats in the 60-40 ratio. Now I am showing you that this is the 60 part, you can fold it like that, and you can just fold it the 40 portion of the vehicle. So right away you can see if you fold both the sides, it will go up to 1280 liters. This is our Jeep Compass Limited Plus Diesel 980, which you are getting the 9-speed diesel automatic with the ZF transmission in this price range. And right now I will show you the interior. Let's check it out. In the steering wheel, you can feel that it is a totally leather wrapped steering wheel and telescopic adjustable accordingly. Your steering wheel you can adjust, and the steering wheel is adapted with the DST technology. And in the back of the steering wheel you can get the audio mounted buttons, like the right you will for the volume, and in the left you will get for the station change or the track change while you are connecting through Bluetooth. Out here you can see you are getting the cruise control with a speed limiter, where you can set the cruise in the highways. When you are driving in any high speed, you can set it. So down here in the middle console of the vehicle, okay, you can see the deep touched dashboard, which will give you a premium feel. And out here you can see the shark fin inspired AC vents with a 8.4-inch infotainment system, Uconnect infotainment system, which we called. Out here you will get the dual zone climate controls, where you can set two separate temperatures. On the left you can set it separately, and for the right you can set separately, and for the rear parts the temperature will be of the right side. Out here you will also get the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto, through which you will connect the phone with a USB cable only, and the whole phone screen will be synced out here. Down here you can see the USB and the aux, and there is a 12-volt power socket out here. There is the auto, snow, sand, mud, the 4 modes which you are getting. According to the terrains and the road condition, you can set it while you are driving in those terrains particularly. Coming with the 9-speed gears apart from the rear. This is the electronic parking brake. This is the auto start off function that is available in the BS6 variants, all the BS6 variants across it. So now I want to show you the most interesting part of the vehicle, which you are getting the panoramic moonroof and sunroof. And out here these are the buttons for opening it. Now I am opening the curtain first. As you can see, this is a beautiful view you can get while traveling. This is the sunroof, and again if you press, this is the moonroof, and this is the panoramic view. And for opening this glass, you can just have to press this one, and the glass will open up. So if your kids or anyone who wants to stand up accordingly, he or she can. The other thing in the interior which I will highlight you, that is the 6 airbags. You are getting 6 airbags. In the front you are getting the dual stage airbags in the front in both the sides, and the rear 2 airbags, and on the 2 sides you are getting the curtain airbags. So now I will show you the rear part of the vehicle, the rear sitting space and all the leg space. Now let's check out. So coming to the rear passenger side of the vehicle, I will see and just brief you about the seating comfort out here. So you can see I am getting enough leg room out here with a extra space out here. Still I am sitting comfortably by expanding my legs and all. Down here you can see the rear AC ducts with a USB port out here also, and any extra luggage, any kind of any files or bottles you can keep out here. Right here in the middle I can show you the armrest, center armrest with the 2 cup holders out here. So out here you can see this is another color of our vehicle. That is a brilliant black color, the full black Z black color. You can see, you can also choose it out while buying the vehicle. So now I will just want to showcase some important safety features of our vehicle, because Jeep means safety and we do have 50+ safety features out here. Okay, so I want to highlight few of them. like we are having all 4 disc brakes, okay, and then you are having the electronic rollover mitigation, the panic brake assist, the rain brake support, the HBFC, you can say the hydraulic boost failure compensation for the braking and all you are getting. And the other thing, as I said, the panic brake assist you are getting extra, and all many other safety features we are getting in this vehicle. And another main thing is that in all our variants you are getting the same safety features throughout all the variant. So friends, hope you have liked the video. So if you have liked the videos and like my just as I have explained the whole vehicle, so just subscribe the channel and like the video please.